Welcome to spoken tutorial on non-vegetarian recipes for lactating mothers. In this tutorial, we will learn about importance of nutrition during lactation, preparation of non-vegetarian recipes such as chicken curry with drumsticks, chicken in peanut garlic masala, fish coconut curry, mixed vegetables curry with egg, and fish spinach curry. During lactation, a mother requires additional amount of nutrition for milk production to provide enough nutrients for the growing infant and to meet mother's daily needs. Essential nutrients required during lactation are vitamins, minerals, omega-3 fatty acids, and choline. Besides nutrients, we will learn about galactogogues. Galactogogues are substances that help in milk production. Mother can get it from diet by including garlic, fenugreek seeds and leaves, fennel seeds, garden cress seeds, drumstick leaves, dill leaves, and carom seeds. Please note, nutrition for lactating mothers has been explained in another tutorial of the same series. After understanding the importance of nutrition during lactation, we will begin with the preparation of the recipes. Let's begin with our first recipe, which is chicken curry with drumsticks. To make this, we need 100 grams of chicken, 2 pieces of drumstick, 1 sprig curry leaves, 1 teaspoon black pepper seeds, 1 chopped onion, 4 cloves garlic, salt as per taste, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon chili powder, 1 green chili, 1 handful coriander leaves, 2 teaspoon oil. In a pan, heat 1 teaspoon oil. To this add onions, garlic, pepper and green chili. Saute till they turn golden in color. Now add curry leaves, coriander leaves and fry for 2 to 3 seconds. Cool them and grind it into a paste by adding a little water. Next, pressure cook or boil drumsticks until cooked. Heat 1 teaspoon oil in a pan, add the prepared paste and cook for 2 minutes. To this, add all the spices and chicken. Now add half cup water and mix well. Cover and cook till the chicken becomes tender. To this, add the boiled or pressure cooked drumsticks. Let it cook for 2 to 4 minutes. Chicken curry with drumsticks is ready. The second recipe that we will learn is chicken in peanut garlic masala. To prepare this, we need 100 grams chicken, 2 tablespoons peanuts, 5 cloves garlic, 1 tomato chopped, 1 onion chopped, half teaspoon turmeric, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon oil. To prepare peanut garlic paste, roast the peanuts on a pan on medium flame. Stir them continuously to avoid burning. Allow them to cool. Rub roasted peanuts between your palms to remove the outer cover. Now, in a pan, heat 1 teaspoon oil and add onion, tomato and garlic. Fry till tomato becomes soft. Allow them to cool. After cooling, mix this with peanuts. Grind it into a paste by adding little water. Heat 1 teaspoon oil in a pan. Now add peanut garlic paste and cook for 2 minutes. Next, add the spices and mix well. To this, add chicken and cook for next 2 minutes. Now add a little water. Mix well. Cover the pan and cook till chicken becomes tender. Chicken peanut garlic masala is ready. The third recipe is fish coconut curry. For this, take 100 gram rohu, half cup grated coconut, 4 red chilies, half teaspoon turmeric, salt as per taste, 4 cloves garlic, 1 small lemon sized tamarind ball, 1 onion chopped, half teaspoon fenugreek seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon oil. In case rohu is not available, then you may use any one of these: mackerel, pomfret, or Bombay duck. Clean the fish, add 2 pinches salt and leave it for 10 minutes. Dry roast red chilies, fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds till they change color. Grind the roasted ingredients along with coconut, tamarind and garlic into a paste. In a pan, add 1 teaspoon oil and heat it. Now add onions and fry till onion becomes golden. To this, add the ground paste and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Add the spices and mix well. To this, add marinated fish and cook for next 10 minutes. The fish coconut curry is ready. The fourth recipe is mixed vegetable boiled egg curry. To make this, we need 2 boiled eggs, 2 florets cauliflower, 1 medium onion, 2 French beans chopped, 1 medium tomato chopped, half small capsicum chopped, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon chili powder, salt to taste, half spoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon poppy seeds, half teaspoon garden cress seeds powder, 1 tablespoon oil. Dry roast sesame and poppy seeds in a pan, allow them to cool. Next, add half teaspoon oil in a pan and saute tomatoes. After cooling, grind the tomatoes and seeds in a mixer or stone grinder. Heat 1 teaspoon oil in a pan, add onions and fry till they become golden. Now add tomato paste and cook for 5 minutes. Add salt, turmeric, chili powder and stir well. To this, add some water and vegetables. Cover and cook till the vegetables become soft. Cut the boiled eggs into 2 halves and add it to the curry. Cook for a minute. Mixed vegetable boiled egg curry is ready. The last recipe that we will see is spinach fish curry. To prepare this, we need 2 pieces salmon, 4 to 5 leaves of spinach, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon flaxseed powder, 1 teaspoon ghee or oil, 1 handful coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 green chili, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Wash the fish pieces, rub some salt and turmeric and keep it aside. Wash spinach thoroughly in water. Boil water in a pan and add spinach to it and cook it for 5 minutes. Next, strain the water and let it cool. Grind the spinach, coriander and green chili to a paste. Heat 1 teaspoon ghee or oil in a pan and fry the fish until cooked. Simultaneously, heat 1 teaspoon oil or ghee in another pan. Add the spinach paste and little water and let it cook for 5 minutes. To this, add the spices and mix well. Now add the fried fish pieces and cook till the masala coats the fish. Add garam masala and flaxseed powder and cook for 2 minutes. Turn off the stove and add lemon juice. The fish spinach curry is ready. All the above recipes are rich in protein, vitamin B12, good fats, iron, folate, potassium, vitamin A, vitamin D, zinc, magnesium. These nutrients help in growth and development of the baby, milk production in mother, and keeping the mother healthy. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. Thanks for joining.